Want to uncover the real buying and selling pressure behind a stock's price movement? The accumulation distribution line reveals the true strength of market activity beyond just price changes. Let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a powerful indicator, the accumulation distribution line, or ADL for short. If you've been struggling to spot the subtle shifts in buying and selling pressure in the market, then this is the tool you need to understand. The ADL helps track the flow of money into and out of a security, showing you where big traders are positioning themselves. If you prefer reading, make sure to check out our detailed article on the ADL over on our website at the link below. Identifying signals: when the ADL is moving upward, it shows that buyers are in control and accumulation is taking place. This can be a signal to consider buying, especially if the price is lagging behind this movement. Conversely, when the ADL starts trending downward, it suggests that sellers are taking over and distribution is happening, which could signal a selling opportunity. It's important to look for divergence between the ADL and price. If the price is making new highs but the ADL is not, that could be a bearish signal. On the flip side, if the price is making new lows but the ADL is trending up, that's a bullish divergence. Combining with other indicators. Now, while the ADL can be very powerful on its own, combining it with other indicators can give you even more confirmation. For example, pairing the ADL with a volume-based indicator like on-balance volume, OBV, can help you verify whether the buying or selling pressure is strong enough to act on. Risk management. Of course, no strategy is complete without risk management. Even if the ADL is showing a clear trend, always set stop losses to protect yourself from unexpected market reversals. Keep an eye on your position sizes and don't risk more than you're willing to lose on any single trade. The market can be unpredictable, and even the best indicators can't guarantee profits every time. That's it for today's breakdown of the accumulation distribution line indicator. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, and let us know in the comments below which indicator guide you'd like us to cover next. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you'll never miss an update. Also, if you're looking to take your trading to the next level, visit BrokerCheck Academy, where you can learn all about trading strategies and tools for free.